I'm going to show you 5 ways to increase your protein intake. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 5, eat hard-boiled eggs. Easter's mascot isn't just for hunting in the backyard in your Sunday best. Hard-boiled eggs, even if they aren't dyed pastel colors, are a great addition to your diet. Make a batch of hard-boiled eggs to eat throughout the week. Having the eggs already cooked will make it easy to grab for a snack or an easy protein to add on top of a salad or to a meal. 1 hard-boiled egg can pack in 6 grams of protein. Number 4, go old school with snacks. Remember when you'd hop off the school bus and your mom would have some snacks waiting for you? You didn't know it then, but those ants on a log were actually a way to keep you from munching on sweets before dinner time. Snack on 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter with a banana or celery sticks. A peanut butter snack can add 8 grams of protein to your day. Number 3, mix in seeds. If getting your daily dose of nutrients is top priority, this is how to get more protein. Consider developing a seed habit. Add seeds like hemp, chia, or flaxseed into smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. Just 2 tablespoons of the seeds can add around 3.5 to 6 grams of protein to your food. These are the seed superfoods you should be eating more of. Number 2, go Asian. Your go-to appetizer at your favorite sushi restaurant might be the reason you can only make it through 2 rolls before maxing out. Munch on edamame for a low-calorie, protein-packed snack. 1/2 cup contains 9 grams of protein. Edamame, or soybeans, also deliver 300 milligrams of heart-healthy, brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids. Number 1, make Pancakes 2.0. I love pancakes, but the traditional version is a carbohydrate nightmare. Instead, make a healthier version with oat flour, egg whites, and protein powder. The protein will keep you satisfied and adds a fantastic flavor so you can enjoy your new favorite breakfast guilt-free. Now we know our Saturday morning breakfast plans. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover 5 ways meal planning can save time and money. That's it. That's all. See you next time.